Finding yourself fully lost in the action in the game with full blast volume, and you hear baby crying because the TV was too loud. Or, battling with your buddy but getting complaints from neighbors downstairs. How nice would it be to keep the hits rolling without disturbing people around you? High-quality audio delivered to your Bluetooth headphone is your answer. Wand, the Bluetooth transmitter developed to not only solve the problem but give you a little extra than the product you can find on the market. Honored by the 2018 CES Design and Innovation Award, we aim to provide the optimal home entertainment experience. Wand can stream any audio from TV, game console or audio hi-fi directly to two of your Bluetooth headphone at the same time. Wand also supports 3 audio inputs, including auxiliary, USB and optical, allowing connection to TV and 2 other devices simultaneously. Wand supports aptX low-latency latency technology technology to ensure your video and audio is perfectly synced, so no more lip-sync delay. With Wand, you no longer need to worry about disturbing others while watching sports, TV series, movies or playing games. Maximize the home entertainment experience and enjoy your intimate quality time.